This is his bed liner. Peel tray. And I have some other things in here. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat. I apologize. Drink some water. You'll be able to hear. Give me 1 second, guys. But you got questions, put in there. Let's hold on 1 second. Oh, man. I got his clothes, garments. Hello. What's up, Marcus? Let me in. I got some stuff for you. Marcus, let me in, man. Hey, well, here's some good news. How you doing? I want to hear truth. Let's turn the volume down a second. So I have some pen undergarments for him. Has he been cleaning himself? Has he been using? He has. Okay, I have a bed liner for him. Has he been taking a shower? Okay, we're gonna take it. All right. Okay, let's go in the room. How you doing? Okay, we'll help him. How you doing, Marcus? You're not doing good? All right, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. All right, Marcus, got some stuff for you, okay? I'm gonna help you. How you doing? You okay? All right, I'm gonna help you, okay? So, I got some stuff for you.
I did go get some breakfast today. He brought out waffles and sausage, stuff like that for him.
Okay.
So he got some out of his food.
That's good.
He didn't know the number, so he was bringing on that one.
All right, I'm gonna help him.
He like Faygo how?
Yes.
He can't really have that.
Okay.
He's starting to eat a little better now, so we gotta just wait on him. He's too small.
Exactly. I'm gonna help you. Go ahead. Let me turn the water for you. Let me turn the water for you. Yes. Go ahead, Ann. I'll help you. Here. Go ahead, get in. Get in. I'm gonna help you. I got you. Go ahead. Make sure it's all right. Good. Go ahead, step in. I got you. I'll be right here. I'll be right here. It's 1 foot up, 1 leg at a time. I got you. Let's go side. Go ahead. Go this side. Let me make sure it's okay. I got you. There you go. Hit. Let me help. We're gonna get you a shade too. Go ahead, step in. Good. Get your leg in. Go ahead. There you go. Get that leg in. Okay. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. Got you. Take your time. You gotta stand up. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. I got you.